I've had a couple of questions just regarding some mechanics around Microsoft Teams in terms of things like attendance and understanding when your users are online. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly go through. Here I am in one of my teams, the Justice League Classroom. And if I hit this ellipse here, once again, I go into Manage My Team. And underneath Manage My Team, you'll notice that there is a tab called Analytics. And underneath Analytics, I can go in and I can get an idea of how many active or inactive users I have. So this can give me a clue as to whether or not I have certain users that are not participating or haven't yet logged in. And if I go through, I can see sort of along the graph there how many active users I had at any given time within the team environment. This being said, this is it gives me that high level overview. I can go in and I can change it just for today, for the last 30 days. Now, this is a very low volume team because I'm just using it for demonstration purposes, but you can see that I can go in, I can see what's happening on a specific day, that there were posts, replies, reactions. So this gives me, some high level overview of what's happening with the team. Now, if I'm in a specific meeting, so let's go ahead and start up a meeting. One of the things I can do, and we'll just call it new channel meeting, and I'll turn off my audio so we don't get feedback, and I'll join this meeting, and let's assume that we have a number of other people that join the meeting as well. I won't go and do that at the moment, but what will happen is once I have the meeting here, we can have our meeting, we can talk. You can see I can request people to join the meeting. But up here next to participants, if I hit the ellipse here, I can go in and I can download the attendance list. So at the end of the meeting, I can download the attendance list and it will show me, even if people are leaving and coming back into the meeting, it'll show me everybody when they left, when they came back in, how long they were there. So those are a couple of analytical tools that I can use. I just wanted to do the quick video just because I had a question by a subscriber on this.